Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Tonight we're gonna make a healthy pizza, busy mom style. So I like to make homemade pizza, make the dough from scratch, all the things, but tonight is not gonna be one of those nights. So it has been a busy day. I don't feel like cooking, but I still want to make something healthy for my family that has really good ingredients. So we just unboxed our Thrive Market, and tonight we're having pizza. And this is our favorite pizza dough.
Yeah.
And the ingredients are almond flour, arrowroot, flax meal, cauliflower, baking soda, organic oregano, cream of tartar, and organic garlic. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and make a double batch here because the boys don't like what me and Corey like. So they're just gonna have like cheese pizza. Ahead and fried up some turkey bacon for Corey and I because that's all I had to thaw out.
No, I want some more pizza.
But you want some on your pizza?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't think they would. Never know. And they also have some really good ingredients. This is the Primal Kitchen, is a really good brand of pizza sauce. And let me see if I can read this small print. Everything in here and the ingredients, I know what it is, and it's all organic, so good stuff. Then I shred my cheese. Have you ever looked on the back of shredded cheese bag? They add some stuff that is definitely unnecessary, so I always shred up my cheese. And let's see what else. The other ingredients that we add into this dough is apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and water. That's pretty healthy for a quick and easy meal night that's super delicious and healthy. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Okay, now we've made the dough and we're just gonna press it into the pan. We've preheated our oven, so we cook the dough for a little bit and then we'll bring it back and add all the toppings. The dough out of the oven, I did have to fry up some more turkey bacon because they decided they wanted meat on their pizza. Dylan, this pan is very hot, so please be careful. Okay, so first thing up, we're gonna put the sauce on. Gavin, you're up.
I'm doing it?
Put it up and then spread it all out.
Easy.
Oh, easy.
Love it. I'll spread it out. Can you spread it?
How about I get it out of here and then you spread it out?
No.
Dylan, you spread it?
No, I'm just.
You guys can spread it out. You just do this.
I don't want that. You doesn't do anything.
Don't eat all the cheese.
Okay.
This is gonna be saucy. Might have put too much on there.
So for Gavin. What? Ready. I don't know. Is cheese mixed? Mom?
Is cheese next down there? Okay.
Cheese. I love cheese. Cheese.
Okay. Sprinkle it all over the place. And check the bacon so I don't burn it.
Make sure you get that.
You know what else would be good on this? Peppers. Sweet peppers. And onions.
Maybe just
Maybe I should chop some of that up real quick for me, Daddy.
I want some sweet.
On it?
I don't.
Cut some of these bacon pieces up. Who doesn't love kitchen scissors? I use them for everything.
That's pretty good.
No, we want lots of cheese.
Cheese it up.
Cheese it up.
Whoa. That one everywhere. We
Okay.
love cheese. I don't want bacon.
Hmm?
I want to try fried bacon. Huh? Are you going to squeeze the top one?
I like pretty good sauce.
Alrighty. Gonna need some more bacon.
Oh, okay. I'll sprinkle these on. We need more than that. Yeah.
They were in. Give me like a piece and bite it.
Good. Alright. Want another pizza? Come on, I want good.
I can always pick it off
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah, let's do that.
Gavin
Is it
likes
sweet?
peppers.
Is it sweet onion?
Sweet peppers. I do have sweet onion, yes.
Let's do that.
I use all the colors of the rainbow.
I want another bite.
Crunchy.
Oh, that's cute.
Got juice in my eye.
Sorry.
Another bite.
Where'd the yellow one go?
Right there.
You want one?
Mm-hmm.
It's sour.
This one's sour?
The orange one's like sweet, but sour. Red.
Okay, I need to chop up some onion because I want some onion. I had to chop up some onion real quick if you guys want to spread that. So this pizza went from a bacon pizza and a cheese pizza to all kinds of bacon and peppers and onions. So I'm happy. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy about the onions?
No.
We'll see. Okay, so we've got all of our toppings on here. It looks
Delicious!
yummy. So we're gonna pop it back in the oven for another 15 or 20 minutes.
Piece of
And
bacon.
then we're gonna add one last thing to make this the healthiest pizza ever. All right, pizza's done and I'm happy because I am hungry. How about you guys? It looks and smells so good. Okay, do you guys know what the last thing that we're gonna put on this pizza to enhance it and make it super duper yummy, healthy, good?
Yes.
What?
Microgreen.
Whoop whoop. Microgreens. So I will probably add arugula on top of my piece. That's hot.
I know.
Corey will probably add the salad mix, but you could do the broccoli, you could do the sunflower. And I cut off some pea shoots that I had growing for the boys, and I'm sure they're just gonna eat it on the side. They probably won't put it on their pizza.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed making this really yummy, good ingredient, quick and easy, healthy pizza with us. Remember, if you want to look for better options, healthier options than maybe what you can find where you're at, check out Thrive Market. Click the link below in the description and you can save 30% off your first order and get a gift. We love Thrive Market, and now I'm ready to dig into this.
Yes.
Let's see. Thanks, guys. Oh, comment below. What's your
Yeah.
favorite topping on pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.